Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and I've got a great product for the kitchen. It's an air fryer. Yes, this is from Neretva, and it's an air fryer, an oven, a toaster, a defroster. It does all of these things in one package. It's a vintage old style look. It has a door, comes down like this. And it's really great. I tried it with some air frying some drumsticks as a test trial, and it came out absolutely great. You'll see the video and toward the end. Okay, you get the instruction manual, and it's going to explain just how to use the different features of the air fryer. They show you the different trays and what they're used for. It has a nice handle here for picking the items up, which is really great and detachable, easy. See how that works? And we'll be using that. A rundown on the different controls. Now, this is the function control right here, which shows you the different application. Air fryer is there. See the little point right there? And then this is the symbol in the book that explains that. It doesn't really say exactly what it is. It shows the elements and a little S for a fan indication when the fan is going. There's one down here that doesn't have the fan in there. Air fry, it does toast, it does bake, roast, and defrost. There's the defrost symbol up there. So the book is going to help you greatly with the controls and show where the racks go. There's a picture in each one of these that there's a placement of the rack in these different areas. There's three positions here that you can place these different racks. And this will explain where to place them. And you have a cooking chart over here, operation and cooking chart, which is going to show you the types of food, the quantity, the function, whether it's toast, air fry, broil, and also the temperature setting, which the temperature is here, and the time. The timer is right over here that you can, this is a mechanical timer that you can set all the way up to about 50 minutes. The book is going to be an asset. First, this is the baking tray. This is going to be used in a number of different applications. This is the air fry basket. These two go together. When you use this, it'll always go in the pan like that. And that's the air frying. Anytime you're going to air fry, this is the way you want it. Now, when you're going to do baking, you're going to use this type of tray, right? Wire rack. And what this does is this and that fit right in here at these various locations. And the book will suggest the one that works the best. And you will find that one will work better than the other depending on what you're cooking. Now this right here is a grilling rack, like you want to grill steaks or you want to grill hamburgers. You use the baking pan and this, and you put your material on there, your food. And then you will usually place it in here. Or if it's a real tall item, you can place it down here like a big large chicken, a whole chicken. So that will work good. Now this has a main function of being a crumb catcher. Yeah, this will keep the bottom from getting all messed up. You can pull the crumb catcher out, which is going to catch all the stuff and crumbs from cooking. Now, it goes right in here like that, and then when it's not hot, you want to do this when it's cool. Then you can pull this out. It looks like you have to tip it at an angle, So that's where that stays, the crumb catcher does. I have found this to be really great air fryer, and you're going to see a demonstration of me using it to air fry 6 drumsticks, and they come out beautifully. And we did have them the night that I did it, and it tasted really great. We're going to do a air fry demonstration on chicken legs, drumsticks, and we've got her set on air fry. This is a symbol for air fry. We've got her close to 390 degrees, it calls in the recipe book, for 6 drumsticks, and that's what we have. And we've coated them with a egg base and rolled them in breadcrumbs. And now we're preheating the air fryer so that it's at the proper temperature. So I've got it at 50 minutes. I'm going to set the timer for 22 minutes, right about there. And we're going to take this little device, which is going to help us pick this up safely and place it in the middle rack locations right here. And we want this fry basket in the little pan. These go together, and that's the cooking arrangement. And also what we want to do is in halfway through 11 minutes, we're going to rotate the food. It just went off from a 22-minute timing, and here's the temperature. Wait, let me get it right down in there. 152. Let's see, I don't want to get the bone. 154. It should be a little about 10 degrees higher. I'm going to go in a little longer, but it's looking nice. So I'm going to give it about 10 minutes and we'll come back. Okay, we're going to try this fat one here. 165.71. That's just about right. Perfect. So we're going to turn it off. And we're going to pull this out. And there's what it looks like. Very good. Nice. Okay, I'm going to pop this right up here and transport it inside. All right, I want to thank you very much for watching the video.